Hello everyone. Here I am just going to once I had defined you the how to declare the variable. After that I explain how data types are there and how to know the data types is, and then I explain how to get the input from the user. Now I'm going to explain if and else condition in Python. So for that, what we have to do, simply you know that we know how to define the variable. So this is the variable, very simple variable. I write num and I cast it by the integer and asking the variable to get from here as taking right input as we can get once we write the input. So in that, once we write the input, enter the name. So the cursor will ask for the input, and once we will give the input, it will store in num. So this is the way we store the variable in num. Now the point here, we want to know how if and else work. So for if and else, simply you write if, then write the number of which you get, like 5, 7, 8, and then modulo operator and by 2. This is the very simple condition by which we can get that number is even and odd. You know what is the logic get the number even, and if once we divide the variable and its remainder is 0, then it's even number. If remainder is 1, then it's odd number. So this is the logic. If dividing by 2 and remainder is 0, then it's even number, else it's odd number, right? So that I am just running this application. See, you can, here you have to give any number. So I am giving the number 30. 34 is even number, right? Same way, if once again I let me clear it, and again I am going to write it. It's asking any number. I am giving right 11. It's odd number, right? So this is the way. If and then else, we are write if, then variable name or anything, any condition what you want to write, and then it will execute inside the event block or inside that if block whatever you write. Otherwise, it will execute else. Right. So this is the way we can write the if and else. Thank you.